Hi and welcome to the Crochet Circle. My name is Alex and today I'm gonna show you how I make crochet flowers like this. Let's get started. I am using 2.5mm hook and some cotton yarn. First I'm gonna make a magic ring and I'm gonna bind it together with a slip stitch. Tighten up the magic ring a bit and do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna do 1 triple crochet in the magic ring, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the magic ring. And here is the first petal done. Now we repeat that 4 more times. 1, 2, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in the middle, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the magic ring. Chain 3, triple crochet, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the magic ring. Now I have 3 petals down, 2 more to go. Chain 3, triple crochet, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the magic ring. Chain 3, triple crochet, and chain 3, slip stitch. I have now 5 petals, so I'm gonna cut the yarn. I'm gonna do 1 more chain and just pull it through. Now all I have to do is tighten up the magic ring. And this is how you get a 5-petal flower. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, and if you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.